Call center monitoring software. Call center monitoring software provides quality monitoring that improves the life cycle performance of campaigns. Phone calls received by a call center are monitored to make sure that customers are given the appropriate and correct information for solving their problems. Monitoring tools can track calls from the time they are received by the call center agent to completion. Call monitoring can be live or recorded. Most call center systems provide for both ways to monitor live calls. The barge-in facility means that a supervisor is able to join the call in a conference, while listen-in means that a supervisor can only listen to the call and cannot talk with the customer or the representative. In addition to these monitoring options, some systems allow a supervisor to take over and close the call. Some clients require full monitoring and recording of calls. This typically happens in highly regulated industries like telephone service sales, where third-party verification (TPV) systems are in place to guard against fraud. Another area requiring complete call monitoring is market research, where response is evaluated based on both content and inflection. In addition to call monitoring systems, the centers themselves use monitoring technology to ensure performance and security. Many call centers handle sensitive client data like credit card numbers and client identity information. In order to safeguard this information as required by law, call centers use access controls for both people and data. Managers and supervisors help create quality monitoring programs and typically integrate new monitoring systems with hiring and training. There are many benefits to monitoring beyond security concerns. Monitoring systems can be used to help in training and with the delivery of quality services. In many cases, such systems also provide the basis on which call centers can document and bill their work to customers. Enterprises are demanding highly integrated, proactive applications that provide the ability to identify and diagnose problems even before end users experience them. Today's systems managers need powerful and easy-to-use tools that can monitor all of the interactions between the diverse software, networks, databases, and infrastructure components that can affect the performance of their enterprise's core online applications.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.